Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. So today we're going to be unboxing this LED light, LED stand light. So I've been really wanting to improve my videos, and I thought it would be good to invest to something that would keep my video steady and the lighting, improve my lighting. So I got this set from Amazon. It's called Viozon Viozon LED light series. So if you look at Amazon and search for desktop LED light stand, you will see a lot. But this one had good reviews, so I went for this one, and it was in a really good sale when I got it. So let's open it up. Okay, so instruction there, as you can see. I'm gonna back my video a little bit so you'll see the inside of the box. So it's a box inside a box. Okay, so let's see what's inside this box. I might need to. There you go. That's probably better. So there you go. That's a big LED ring light. So let's see what this is. So this is the charger and another extension. I don't know what this is for, but I'll figure that out later. But this charger is not the cheapo charger that you get as a replacement. This is pretty heavy, which is a good indicator that it's a good quality. So let's pull this out. That is big. Look at my hand. That is a really, so that would make some really good back lighting for your videos. And look at how thick this gooseneck metal is, and how thick the phone holder. So it is a really good. And then this is adjustable, and you got the light settings, power. I'm not sure if this was charged, so here's the output. Oh, so this is not a this needs to be plugged to play. So it needs to be plugged the whole time while playing. I'm gonna read the instruction here. There's another accessory, which I'm not sure what it is for, but I'll figure that out later. And there's the remote. So we're done with this box. Check the next box. Wow, that is fancy. There's a little card with all the warranty and instructions. So you get a warranty card and brochure for your desktop. So that is how it's going to look like. An actual desktop stand, and that's what the look that we're going for, which is really nice. So you can actually attach the microphone, and it's just really sleek. I like how it looks. It's so they actually also sell the tripod version, but I already have a tripod, so I opted for the desk version. So you can use this for like a cooking vlog, or if you have art, you're doing art, which is a route I might go in the future. It's really nice. And they also sell some book stands. So that one is a nice addition. You don't see like an envelope for instructions very often. So we got this. I don't know if I'm going to assemble this tonight. I'm just going to show you the parts because it's pretty late. But I just wanted to unbox this thing so to get it out of the way. So there's the stand. I might assemble the stand if it's looks easy to assemble. So let me just figure this out without looking at the instruction. So let's see here. There's a ball, which probably goes right here. I'm not sure. I might have to read the instruction for this because there is no hole here. Oh, I see. This stand is very heavy, so it's covered with like a foam, and this is like a whole metal plate here, really thick and heavy. So I think you would have to use some screws to attach. Oh, there you go. So I think you're supposed to attach this like so to the body. So it's good like that. And then you would have to put this here. This is where your phone goes. So let's try to do that really quick. There you go. So now you can fit. How do you fit it? Oops. See if I can fit it. Okay, so you remove it all together. Slide this in and attach it like so. So it's easy, pretty easy to figure it out. There you go. So you got the part that holds your phone, which is this part, and the base. You would have to screw the base in, so I would need to get the screw. Oh, this is the phone holder. So that's the ball. Okay, so that's the ball. Show it quick. Oh, there you go. So you have to loosen that up and then tighten it like so. Oh, did I do it right? So insert the ball. Oh, wrong. Put it there. Insert the ball until it clicks, and then tighten it. Okay. Right. So we got our phone holder. As you can see, it's really nice. And you got a phone holder here, and also you got a phone holder over here, which is cool. That is really cool. And so that looks like the picture, as you can see. So this part, oops. Ooh. So this part, to attach, you just have to lock this in. There you go. And this part is adjustable, so lock it in. So this is, see, as you can see, it's pretty tight. And this part is tight as well. So since we're almost done, I'm just gonna assemble it all together to show you guys. Let's see here. Oh, it actually also comes with the screws that you would need. So, let's see here. So this one is, I think this is a cord holder maybe. I'll just snap it right there. I'm not sure if that's for that purpose, but I'm going to show you how to attach the base. This is going to be a bit tricky, but let's give it a try. So, I'm just starting in my hands and finish it up with a screw. So let's see which screw will fit. It's not a screw, it's this screw. Make sure it's tight. So there we have. There you have it. Let me put this down so you can see it better. So there is our desktop LED stand. And let's try to plug it in and see how bright it is. This one is for the microphone. And flip it over here. So, as you can see, this thing, I'll just keep it like so. I can put it over here. And you got the remote. And this is the plug. It's a pretty long cord, which is nice. So I'm gonna keep it partially tied because I won't need a long cord like so. So let's plug this in. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's wrong. I wonder what this is for. Okay, so let's plug it in. So I've plugged it. Let's see if it works. So there you go. You can see the light. It doesn't work like that, so you probably need to use the remote. And the remote comes with a battery, which is nice. So as you can see, it's the battery. I'm not sure if I like that you can turn it on like this. Or maybe you can, I'm not sure. Let's try the battery. So to put on the battery, just open to lock. You would need a coin to move this thing, but let me just try if it works. There you go. That's really bright. Alright, so let's see if this... Oh, okay. So the control does work for turning the light up and down, which is good. But for turning it on and off, you would need to use the remote. So you could also use it to take photos. Or maybe turn on the Bluetooth. As you can see. Or yellow up and down. So that is a super nice desktop light. So it's perfect for vlogging or like cooking vlogs or art vlogs. And I hope it will improve my videos in the future. Have a better lighting. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And I will link this product in the description if you would like it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.